Hey traders, 𝗧𝗴𝗀𝗧 here, and in today's video I want to talk about the casino trade. And the reason why I bring up casinos is A, with the coronavirus and travel situation going on, can people really go to casinos? Another part of the casino trade is, well, China. Lance, China stocks are dipping, China ADRs are dipping. When you talk about casino stocks, you have exposure to Macau. And lastly, the casino stocks really haven't rallied or bounced back from last year. The only one really MGM, and that's because of the Amazon situation with MGM Studios. But a few casino stocks I'm looking at, and personally I'm buying, are Melco, the old Impel, ticker symbol MLCO, Las Vegas Sands, LVS. When? Nope, sorry Charlie. IGT, International Game Technology, they make the parts for those slot machines and casinos. And Boyd Gaming, ticker symbol BYD, another name that makes the parts and the machines when you go into casinos. Now, why do I like casinos? LVS, Melco, massive institutional call buying going out in time. I'm talking going out in September. And if you look at those charts on the daily, they're nothing to brag about. They're nothing sexy. But I'm forward looking in the situation, and I'm thinking to myself, when people can travel, not just to Vegas, here in the States, but international, we have free money all over the world right now, right? With interest rates so low and obviously printing of money, people are degenerates. They really are. What are they going to do? They're going to travel, they're going to drink, and they're going to spend all that money that they made in the stock market the last year and that the Fed has printed and that they've got from PPP loans and what they've got from selling assets and just all this free money, borrowing money out the wazoo, and they're going to gamble. People like to gamble. They like to dice roll. And I really think specifically for two of the casinos, LVS, Las Vegas Sands, and Impel, MLCO, they are going to see some massive upside. And they're kind of sleepers because people normally don't think about these names every day when they wake up and trade. And then the IGT, which that chart is fantastic, and Boyd Gaming, that chart is fantastic too. I think they're just going to continue the momentum because the mainstream media shows these stocks no love. They really don't. They'll talk about MGM because Amazon, and sometimes Wynn, but I don't personally like Wynn. It's too high of a dollar amount stock just for me, and for trading purposes the options are too expensive. But look at these names. Look at the casinos. If you find some more gaming stocks out there, I know there's some lower price companies. I like those too. Anything where people can spend money, whether it be on their phone, sports betting, or going to the casino. Listen, they want to party. People want to dice roll. I get it. Heck, I want to go somewhere and dice roll right now. I want to go blow 10 grand that I'll never see again at the casino. I really do. So if millions of other people have that mindset, look at that casino plays and roll the dice if it's in your risk tolerance and look at those four names: LVS, Impel, or MLCO, IGT, and BYD, Boyd Gaming. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on social media at 𝗧𝗴𝗀𝗧, the world champion, freshly lightning here, and you'll see me at the beach and drinking at bars with hot chicks and all that fun stuff on my social media. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment to the videos. What names are you looking at for possibly trading or for the back end of 2021?